bike rack or a bike lift. Okay, it's called Red Easy Bike Hoist. This is 2 packs, so I got 2 packs for one in one box. It's called Red R-A-D Easy Bike Hoist. It's pretty decent. It's very easy to use. Now I can have another bike underneath that bike. So I have another bike underneath that bike. You know, it's pretty good. You can actually hoist other stuff too, as you can see in the box, and holds up to 100 pounds. Okay, so it's pretty good. As you can see, and it's so easy to control right here, which is once I pull this thing, that's release, to release it. To lower it, see? Lower it. That to lower it. I let go, then it lock the bike in. So it's pretty decent. I don't think I have the hooks correctly. It should be facing backwards, but it doesn't matter. It holds. So that's the only thing I will adjust, if anything. But it's pretty good. And I just use the leftover from the fishing rod holder, that piece of strip of wood, and then I mounted this bike. Put it up there, mounted it this bike. Pretty good. Because I have another pair left. I may mount it here to put my canoe up. So it's pretty good. Here you go. This is the bike hoist. Pretty good. Inexpensive and pretty good.